So let's remember our goal, digital transformation. The idea that proper investments can quickly pay for themselves. Now, as we've been going through these transformations, we've already improved access, consumption, and development. Production and operations are optimized. We're saving time and we're saving money. But as we have sped up production, it's just like a car. If we're going faster and carrying more loads and data, we're going to need more control. Enter management and security transformation. Right now, in the industry, silos of management, they're kind of a bad strategy, and they're really a complete illusion. You cannot be a storage administrator without understanding security, management, networking, and compute. Management needs to be centralized, and administrative control needs to be federated. IT administrators should not be fighting console scroll trying to figure out where the problem is. All policies need to be documented, measured, monitored, and reported against on a regular basis. All access to data has to be controlled. Data needs to be encrypted at the source, in flight, and at the target. Why? Because as we take in more data and provide more access, it is not enough to assume that our attacks on our infrastructure are not also evolving. And as digital and IT transformation naturally increase the value of our data, we can't allow our most valuable asset to become an opportunity that exposes us to more risk or to be held hostage. When you consider that the majority of breaches are a direct result of impersonations, identity management is critical on knowing who is accessing your data. And as a result, many modern solutions are now leveraging multi-factor authentication using a combination of something you know, like a username, a password, a PIN, or a security question, something you have, like your smartphone, a one-time passcode, or RSA token, or something you are, the biometrics, fingerprints, retina scans, facial ID. But remember, multi-factor authentication, MFA, it's just a tactic. Security management must be more than just solutions, tactics, or edge solutions. It's got to be constantly evolving, seamless, unified, and implemented across the entire spectrum of IT, from compute, storage, networking, and administration. Cumbersome data management and authentication policies, they sabotage productivity. They can make it so it's impossible to get anything done. Therefore, in order to have a strategy, you have to kind of combine this with risk management. That means always asking, is this security practice aligned with our overall business strategy? Everything from supply chain resilience, auditing and compliance, to managing the entire asset IT lifecycle.